Wow, I'm in the Cotswolds at Hidcote Manor Garden. I can't believe it. I've always wanted to visit this world-famous garden. The manor was built in 1620. The surrounding gardens, renowned for its arts and crafts style, was designed in phases by Major Lawrence Johnson from 1907 to 1938. Low parterre hedges of variegated euonymus, a nice surprise from the usual boxwood hedge. Wow, topiary of birds. What are these things? I think they're turkeys. The circular lavender garden room. Lavandula angustifolia, Hidcote, English lavender. Sequences of connecting garden rooms. The entry to the red border garden room. Spectacular red daylilies. Ornamental grasses. Nice balance of shape, color, and texture on both sides of the expansive lawn. Oh, cool, a Mediterranean garden. Gorgeous clay pots, palms, euphorbia, coreopsis, Acamellia mollis, purple aconitum. Gorgeous. The stilt garden, an alley of pleached hornbeam trees. Awesome. More bird topiaries. These are really cool. The backside of Hidcote Manor. Well, I hope you enjoyed this mini Hidcote garden tour in the Cotswolds. Bye. See you next time. Come visit us at thewhitepear.com.